Unlocking the Secrets to Optimal Health, your guide to longevity. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the key to longevity and uncover the well-kept secrets of health. In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating topic of how to unlock the hidden secrets of optimal health. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Did you ever wonder why some people seem to age gracefully while others struggle with their health? Well, the answer lies in the choices we make every day. First, let's talk about nutrition. A well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is foundational. It fuels our body, supports immune function, and fights against aging. Hydration is another cornerstone of good health. Drinking enough water each day is crucial for maintaining energy levels, aiding digestion, and keeping your skin youthful and glowing. Exercise cannot be overlooked. Regular physical activity strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and boosts your mood. It's a natural remedy for many common health issues. Sleep is your body's time to repair and rejuvenate. Ensuring you get enough restful sleep each night is essential for both your physical and mental well-being. Stress management plays a pivotal role in longevity. Finding healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation or yoga, can improve your quality of life dramatically. Building strong social connections is also vital. Engaging with friends, family, or community groups can support your mental health and even extend your lifespan. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a positive mindset. Embracing life with optimism and gratitude can influence your health more than you might think. Together, these elements create a blueprint for a healthier, happier life. By making conscious choices every day, you can unlock the secrets to optimal health and enjoy the journey of aging gracefully.